Yeah, 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 yeah. Let's go. I'm a big mood. You can't name a lot of things that I didn't do. Stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it, 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 let's get it. Child, please, I don't need a towel, please. This is easy as a breeze. I can't teach you how to be me. Now you see me, now you don't, I'm a magician. You are limited, I am a limited edition. They don't even make them like me anymore. I'm so flashy, I don't even say cheese anymore. I don't just want it, I just want more. Man, I'm a major key in this game, and these keys open doors. I'm a big move. Yeah, I'm a big move. You can't name a lot of things that I didn't do. Stacking paper like a book, not a Kindle. You outdated, I'm the one they getting into, and I don't break a sweat. Let's get it. Let's get it, 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 let's get it. I'm going all and you know I stay ballin'. I'm going all and you know I stay ballin'. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Yeah.
Sana maging successful ka sa buhay. Mahal ka namin nila, Jacob.
Tiling naman at tiling maganda, matalino at madasal.
Happy birthday, Ate Ame. Ang wish ko para sa'yo ay sana lagi kang masaya, tsaka hindi ka magiging masakitin na tao.
Happy birthday, Ate Ame. Ang wish ko sa'yo is stay healthy and a happy life.
Happy birthday, Ame.
Happy birthday, Ame. Ang wish ko sa'yo, huwag ka munang mag-aasawa matapos sa pag-aaral. Yun lang.
Ang wish ko kay Ame, mag-asawa ka kagad.
Makatapos muna bago mag-asawa.
Sana maabot mo yung mga pangarap mo. Nandito lang kami mga mahal mo sa buhay na nakasuporta sa'yo.
Happy birthday, Sir Mel. I love you.
Feeling like I'm fresh out boost. If they want the drama, got the ooze.
Happy birthday, Ame.
Doing shit you don't even see him move. Ride with me, boss. I got a hard head, but her ass off. She want the last name with the ring on it. Cause I pulled out $1 million cash, stole her plank on it.
Happy 18th birthday! Handa ka na sa mga bagong hamon ng buhay. Naway maging makulay at puno ng tagumpay ang iyong pagtanda. Maraming pagpapala at kaligayahan ang iyong mata mo.
Happy birthday, Ame! Wish ko sa'yo, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Natutuwa ako kasi lumaki kang mabait na bata.
Happy birthday, Charmel. Wish ko sa'yo, matupad mo yung pangarap mo, makatapos ka ng pag-aaral. Tsaka yun lang, mabait ka naman eh. So, happy birthday.
It's so silly of me to act like I don't need you back. When all I can think about is that since I seen you last.
Happy birthday, Ame. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo and dito lang kami ni ate mo lagi magsusupport sa'yo. And ayun, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Melly. Salamat sa pagmamahal kila Iona.
So can you come pick up your clothes?
Happy birthday, Melly.
Today marks such a beautiful milestone in your life. I feel so lucky to be by your side and to celebrate it with you. Palagi lang ako nandito sa tabi mo and lagi ka lang focus sa goal mo para matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Enjoy your special day. Happy birthday, love you. Happy birthday, Meli. More birthday to come. Yun lang. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ate Ame. And keep striving for your dreams. And lagi mo tatandaan yan, dito ako palagi sa tabi.
Till the day is done. So if you wanna go that way, I'll be waiting up for you to come pick up your clothes.
Happy birthday, Charmel. I love you. Mabait naman niya si Charmel. Okay. Sana makapagtapos ka ng pag-aaral.
Happy birthday, Amelie!